Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the time warp filter. This popular effect freezes parts of your image as a blue line scans across, creating a distorted, often humorous, look. It's a fantastic tool for adding a creative twist to your content, whether you're making a short video or a fun photo. We'll cover the simple steps to get started and achieve some truly unique results. Before you begin, setting up your shot is crucial for a great time warp effect. Find a clear background and position your subject thoughtfully. Think about the blue line's direction. Will it scan horizontally or vertically? Holding your device steady is key to preventing blur and ensuring a crisp, clean distortion. A little preparation goes a long way in achieving impressive visuals. To apply the filter, first open your chosen social media app or video editing software. Navigate to the effects library and easily find the time warp scan. You'll typically have the option to choose between a horizontal or vertical scan, depending on the effect you desire. Once selected, simply tap the record button and let the magic happen as the blue line moves across your screen. For more advanced techniques, try moving specific body parts or objects as the blue line scans. This creates incredible, dynamic distortions. Experiment with props like a comb or a piece of fruit to achieve truly unique and often hilarious visuals. Practice different speeds and movements to discover a wide range of outcomes, making your time warp creation stand out from the crowd.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.